guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain CAT questions. Here I'm picking up a CAT 2017 RC question. Before you go through the video solution for this question, make sure you do solve the passage and then you can understand the solution for this question using this video. Let's get started. What is the question that we have for us here in this particular video? According to the author, the main reason for Tesla's remarkable sales is that, so we've got to find out the reason for Tesla's remarkable sales according to the author of the passage. Now this is a question which is derived from a very specific context in the passage itself. Let's use this context to identify the answer. The lines say, some of it reflects the remarkable abilities of Elon Musk, the company's founder, as a salesman, engineer, a man able to get most out of his factory workers and the governments he deals with. Mr. Musk is selling a dream that the world wants to believe in. Now, in this particular case, this is actually the reason, right? That is the reason for the sales of Tesla. What is he selling? He's convincing the world that they need to buy into this dream, the dream of electric vehicles, the dream of owning a private car, how this ownership reflects power, and how electric cars have now become the new symbols of power in this world, so on and so forth. So the autonomy represented by private cars and the dream of private ownership of cars, that is what is being exploited by Tesla, and that's the reason behind Tesla's sales. Now let's go through the answer options. In the long run, Tesla is more cost effective than fossil fuel driven cars. This comparison is not given in the passage. The US government has announced a tax subsidy for Tesla buyers. Again, not mentioned in the passage. See, the company is rapidly upscaling the number of specialized charging stations for customer convenience. Again, the specific parameters of the company, these deal with very, very specific parameters relating to the sale of Tesla. These have not been mentioned in the passage. These have not been stated, right? These are absent from the passage itself. Option number D is the only thing that can be derived, and this is derived from the line, Mr. Musk is selling a dream. Which is the dream he's selling? That people believe in the autonomy represented by private cars. Hence the answer here is option number D. This is how you derive the answer to this particular question. Hopefully so the question is clear to you now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.